2012 to 2018 Audi A7 wheel brake replacement. Let's start by removing the brake fluid reservoir cap to relieve the pressure, and we're going to put the wheel, parking brake, and service mode. This vehicle, to do the wheel brakes, it is necessary to have a skin tool like this or equivalent to put the parking brake and service mode. And as you guys see here, I'm going through the process, and it will take a little bit. I'll put the link for those tools and the parts in the comment section below. Almost there. There it is. You see the red parking brake is flashing right now, so it's ready to go. Let's put our car up in the air, and we're going to compress the caliper now. It is free to compress when you have it in service mode by using a screwdriver like this. Let's remove our brake rotor returning screw. It is a T30, and let's take out our brake wear sensor using a plier like this, and wiggle it out. Make sure that your new brake part come with the wear sensor. Sometimes they don't, you have to buy it separate. Make sure it does. Let's unplug it using a pick like this to disengage the connector. Let's remove the brake caliper. It is a 13mm. There it is. Let's put it on the side, and we'll remove our caliper bracket. It is a 18mm. Let's check our caliper pen, make sure that they move freely. There it is. Let's take our old brake pad. We're going to clean the brake hardware because the new brake doesn't come with it. We'll have to reuse it. Now we're going to clean our hub you can use a wire brush or a cookie wheel like this. Make sure you wear your eye protection when doing this. It is critical. Let's clean our brake hardware, and we grease the pen. Here is our new part, and as you guys see, it is smooth. Let's take the rust protection of the new rotor using brake cleaner on both sides. Everything is in. Brake pad number 1, brake pad number 2. Let's put our wear sensor. It's good to go. Now let's put the car down so we can take the vehicle out of service mode using the skin tool. First, let's put the reservoir cap back on.